Our last special angle is a 60-degree angle. This is going to look a lot like the last two examples, so if you saw those and they make sense, you might not really need to watch this one, but I will run through it anyway. We have 60-degree reference angle right there. Opposite over hypotenuse is our sine, so that is square root of 3 over 2. Cosine is 1/2 is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So that's 1/2 over 1, or just 1/2. Then the tangent is going to be opposite over adjacent, so square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which again we can, if we're dividing by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we've got the 2's there, those 2's cancel out, and we just get the tangent is equal to square root of 3. Now you might be seeing some values that look familiar to you from last time. If you want to fill them in based on last values and do some reciprocals and whatnot, feel free to do that, but I'll run through the rest of these as we see them here. The reciprocal of each one of these, so this one, the reciprocal of square root of 3 over 2 is 2 over square root of 3, and like before, we need to get rid of that square root of 3, both top and bottom, or multiply top and bottom, so we get rid of it on the bottom. So then that's going to be 2 square root of 3 over 3 for the cosecant. Secant, 2 over 1 over 2 goes to 2 over 1, so that's just 2. And then cotangent is the reciprocal of this one, and so we can do 1 over square root of 3, multiply by square root of 3, top and bottom, and we get square root of 3 over 3 for the cotangent in that case. So then we've got this, this, and this for cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So that completes the ratios for all of the special angles. We're going to be using those a lot. You'll get very familiar with those, especially the sine, cosine, and tangent, as we go into more depth with trigonometry.